Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. How are you all? I hope my all friends are good. God bless you and always be happy. So friends, in this video I am providing gorgeous and trendy crochet kids yoke frock ideas. So don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end. These frocks designs are so stunning and unique. I hope you all love these unique ideas. So viewers, share the video with your friends and family who want crochet ideas. I really hope that they will love these unique ideas. You know guys, different people have different choices and they'll have different colors. In this video, you will see different colors and different decent and unique designs of crochet frocks. You can design your kids frocks design with using these ideas. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass crochet kids frock collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new designs and new ideas related to crochet frocks. All these articles are handmade. These articles very attractive. If you all love this article and if you want more crochet designs ideas, so like my video and subscribe my channel. And please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Be connected with me and remember me in your prayer friends. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.